Recently we've been working on a new project using a UR robot, a Cobot, to help us in our assembly. Some of the problems that we did have was opening that door. At the start it was just a door on a hinge, so we were moving forward with the project. We've installed a new door that allows the robot to open and close easily through the use of a pneumatic actuator. Activates the laser, starts the laser to run through the press of a button. It's a 3-minute cycle for that laser to finish the engraving on the part. When the laser is completed, the robot opens the door, takes the part out, and then brings it over to our camera where it is checked if it's engraved correctly. The camera is checking for the size of the engraving and the position of the engraving on the part. When that part passes those inspections, it's stored onto a 25-part pallet.